Welcome to our guide on how to manage accounts receivable permission levels in Docyt. Docyt offers distinct permission levels to control access and responsibilities within the accounts receivable module. Understanding these permission levels ensures effective management of accounts receivable data. Accounts receivable permission levels. None. Users with this level of access will not have the accounts receivable module displayed on their dashboard and cannot access any aspect. Fewer. Users with this level of access can view accounts receivable data, including customers, invoices, payments, and credit memos, but cannot make any changes. Admin. Users with this level of access have complete control over accounts receivable data, including customers, invoices, payments, credit memos, and settings. Understanding and utilizing these accounts receivable permission levels in Docyt empowers you to manage and control customer transactions efficiently, ensuring accurate tracking and reporting of financial data within your organization. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.